my goodness, I think this is a woodpecker. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Or visit them at communitycareathome.org.
That guy's hungry.